Hello everybody, tonight we make easy dish. We make spaghetti, garlic and oil. Now I got over here 1 pound of spaghetti. I got a nice basil, lot of garlic. I got my Olio baby. It's the hot pepper. A lot of people said to me, oh, you put the baby? No, this is the Olio baby. You need oil. And I got a little piece of cheese over here. It's a pecorino romano. Okay, now the water boil. And I use sea salt. I no measure. I use my hands like this. I drop the salt like this. Okay. Now it's the time of the pasta, the spaghetti. And the spaghetti you gotta cook about 8 to 9 minutes. But I like my pasta al dente. And we give a little turn at the pasta, the spaghetti. Okay, now I put the gas on for this pasta. I gotta use it for the oil, garlic, and hot pepper. Okay, this oil is enough. And now we put the garlic. Now I put my Olio baby and fry it together with the garlic. And already the smell, it's really, really good. The garlic and the hot pepper. Okay, let me see the pasta. See, it's standing up. I like pasta when it's standing up. Standing up, it's al dente. I think maybe one more minute. 1 minuto. 1 minute. Okay, now the pasta is ready, but when I drain the pasta, make sure to leave a little water. Got the garlic and oil and spaghetti, you need a little water. Now we put it back on the stove, like this. And now, this you gotta go right on the spaghetti. Now we give a nice turn. Look at this. When you see this dish with this pepper mayo, yeah, baby, look at this. You put this in the mouth, you dance by yourself. This is the same thing when I was maybe 11 or 12. Okay, still I'm young, I'm only 35, but it's okay. Okay, now we put it on this big dish. This is called in Italy aspas. I got some nice fresh basil over here. And I don't cut it with a knife. I like to do by hand, because when you cut it with a knife, the basil, it loses all the juice. I got a little piece of cheese over here. Let me see, I got enough of this. This is a pecorino romano. Now, when I was in Italy, come back for the farm, the work, my father was saying, hey figlio, piglia ATL e mettici l'acqua e mettici un po' di sale, mettila a vol, che stasera facciamo un bello piatto di spaghetti aglio e olio. E tonight, you know what we do? Get a nice big pot and we make spaghetti, garlic and oil. That's the way we was eat in Italy. Okay, now let me test my spaghetti, garlic and oil over here. My Olio baby, I gotta taste this too. Salute, cin cin. Now this, we was making garlic and oil like this, but a lot of time we was like anchovy. Now, so everybody want to see another dish, garlic and oil with anchovy, please, like, thumbs up everybody, and next time I make anchovy. Spaghetti con alice, aglio, olio, pupucilla, amare e alice. E va tutti amici quando ti mangi alice. Salute, cin cin, thank you very much.